Hello, my wonderful students. It's Mrs. Darmead again. In this short video, I will be showing you how to take a screenshot of your color-coded folders that you should have already created in your Google Drive based on our previous lesson. In this lesson, we're going to look at those folders. We've got your colored ELA folder, math, and we have science and social studies. So you want to make sure that all 4 folders are in your view because you're going to take a screenshot of those. It might be easier if you go to the grid view. In the grid view, you can see your folders as well, and that might be a little easier for you to do your screenshot. I like the list view better, so I'm going back to that. So anyway, let me scroll down a little bit. You're going to need this screenshot for your Google Docs 101 project assignment, which is coming up next. So we're going to go down here, and we want to make sure we can see all those folders. And you need the tool that you need to use in Microsoft Windows is your Snipping and Sketch tool. So to get to that, mine is already here in my taskbar, but if you don't already have it there, you have to look for it. So it's Snip and Sketch. Here it is right here. So I click on this to open it up, and I click on this to get a new one. And now I have my crosshairs. So I'm going to go down, and I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to click and drag over the folders. Make sure that you also get all the way over so I know the date and time that you did it. So this is proof that you fulfilled the task in one of your previous lessons. So I let go. There's my little screenshot. I have to save it. So I'm going to click on Save As, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so I know where it is. So you don't want to lose it. And I don't want to leave it as that. I want to call it screenshot. Maybe I'll say folder screenshot. G folders screenshot. Okay, and I'll click on save, and that way I know where it is. So that's how you do it. And then once you are actually in your Google Docs project, you would come down. It's one of the last things that you'll be doing, and there are little videos to show you how. But you can click here, and you can insert the image from your computer. And there's my, if you didn't find it, you go to desktop. There it is, the screenshot. Open it up, and there it is in your document. And that is your proof that you actually fulfilled the task from before where you created those folders. And that's how you do it. So it's quite easy.